I'm praying it's gonna be good. Hi, thanks for coming back. It's so good to see you. So today, like the title says, it's time for Boxycharm. Hello, Charmer. This is a monthly subscription. It's $21 a month. It's plus tax, so I paid $22.47. You know, taxes always get me. Usually includes 4 to 5 full-size products. So let's open it up and see what I got this month. First thing you always see is a card, and it looks very springy, very cactus-like. For those of us that kill plants, peace, love, and boxy. And at the back, it gives you a list of everything included this month, the cost, and a brief description about the item. So first thing I got in the box are brushes. We got a brush set from Luxie. There's a large shader, which is $209, a small shader, which is $245, and a small contouring, which is $512. Well, that's exciting. So those are all 3 brushes right there. Ooh. And I love that they're pink and then they have like an ombre effect, so they just like fade to yellow. And these 3 brushes run $28. Well, I'm glad I got them because I would not have purchased them otherwise, but I appreciate it. I'm always in need of better brushes, always. They have the Pur Festival. Ooh. And this is the back. And it's a 12-piece pressed pigment palette. This runs $36. I feel like Geordi from Star Trek. So they had a sample of the Get a Grip Pure eyeshadow primer included right in the palette. Sadly, I can't use this because I already prepped my eyes. I didn't know this was included, otherwise I would have used it. There's a mirror included. So that is the palette. And it's swatchy swatch time. Free Spirit, Psychedelic, Good Vibes, Peace. Peace? Peace said peace out.
Hello?
I am not made for you, Kemi. Epic. Gypsy. Ooh, I like Gypsy. Wild Child. Ooh, I like Wild Child too. 24K Magic. Now that's some glitter. Doesn't blend too well, but she definitely has that glitter going on. Wow. All Night. Ooh, that's a dark one. Hidden Desert. Whoa. That's interesting. Sunset. Ooh, Sunset's a light one. Sunset's going to sleep. Said, call me in the morning. Fireworks. Oh, wow. Whoa. Now that is a look. Just for those 2 colors, I am more than pleased with this palette. I am like super excited to play with this. So I started off with Epic. Really soft color. It's not very epic though, but it showed up. And if you didn't see it coming, you should have. I went in with Wild Child, and I love how these 2 blend together. It looks almost like a beautiful sunset. Oh, and I love it. I am here for it. This is such a good look. Gypsy, just on the inner corner. I got skills. No, I don't. Fallout. As you can see, I look like I'm black and blue over here. Can you guess what color is coming next? Fireworks. I didn't have to use any extra primer. Fireworks just went on. I ended up with the 24K, and obviously I went a little bit much, as you could tell. I love this palette. Then I went in with Sunset on the inner corner, and then just went through with Gypsy under my eyes. And hopefully when I take a picture, it will look fantastic. It's melting a little bit. It's starting to get warm in New York. A Beauty for Real Finish Line Liquid Eyeliner. And it's a mistake-proof pen. And this runs $16. This is gonna be interesting. And there is the tip, just the tip. She looks dark. Ugh. Right there. She's very liquidy, so I feel like she's gonna need to dry. And I went in really lightly. She did a good job, honestly. There's so much crap on my eyes with this glitter. Yeah, for her to go through, come up black, and still be precise, I thought it was a good deal. So I am not mad at the $19. I think it's well worth it. she definitely had a lot to compete with and still showed up. Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. Ooh, that's gonna be cool. And it's a loose powder highlight. And this one's $27. And it's in the shade Summer Haze. So I took out the plastic, and I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to take it out because I got Summer Haze all over me. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. Oh, love the highlight. Next time, they need to give me an easier way to open it up. A Steve Laurent, a lip gloss. This runs $22. There it is, like a blush pink. It goes on really smooth. Great lip gloss, actually. I really like it. That was everything included in my Boxycharm box. I obviously went a little bonkers. So I spent $22.47, and I got a total amount of stuff of $129, which is pretty cool. And I'm pretty impressed, if I might say so myself. If you like what you've seen so far, hit that like button. If you want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Cheers.